Hello there. Before you can run payroll in QuickBooks Online Payroll, you need to add your employees. Let's go over how to add your employees, including their personal info, pay rates, pay schedules, work location, and deductions. We'll also show you how to make this easier by inviting your employees to add some of this info themselves. To start, go to Payroll. If you're setting up, select Start under Tell Us About Your Team, then Add Employee. If you've been running payroll already, go to Employees and add an employee. If you're setting up payroll for the first time, you'll be asked how you would like to add your team. You may be able to upload employee reports from your prior payroll service and then have QuickBooks import. Select Add Employee, add your employee's name, email address, and hire date. QuickBooks will automatically email them an invite to QuickBooks Workforce, where they can view pay info and documents. To save you some data entry, you can have your employees enter their personal, tax withholding, and bank account info themselves. Select Add Employee. Now you're ready to add your employee info. You can start with any section. Since Employee Self-Setup is on, you won't be able to edit some fields in the Personal Info, Tax Withholding, or Payment Methods sections. If you need to pay your employees right away or want to add the info yourself, turn off Employee Self-Setup. You can turn it on or off at any time. Once your employee adds their info through QuickBooks Workforce, you'll be able to see it and make changes. Let's start with employment details. Add your employee's pay schedule and work location. All of the other fields are optional. For a pay schedule, tell us how often you pay this employee, when their next payday will be, and when the last day of that pay period will be. The payday is the day your employees get their checks or direct deposits, but the pay period is the days you're paying your employee for. QuickBooks Payroll shows you the next 4 paydays and pay periods based on the info you entered, so you can check that everything is correct. You can name this schedule, and if you want to use it for other employees, just check this box. If everything looks good, select Save. Next, you'll need to add a work location. The work location is the physical address where your employee works. You'll see the address you gave us when you added your business details. If your employee is based out of a different location, add a new location. When you're finished, select Save. For pay types, tell us how much you pay your employee. You can choose from hourly, salary, or commission only. For this example, we'll set up an hourly rate and save it. See additional pay types like overtime and select Add for other items like bonus or reimbursements or tips. You can also set up time-off policies. If you want more details on adding a PTO policy, check out this other video. If your employee has deductions like 401k, health insurance, or garnishments like child support, or if your business contributes to your employee's retirement or health insurance, add them by selecting Start on Deductions and Contributions. Select Add Deduction or Garnishment. Then fill out the details and select Save. When finished adding all the deductions, select Done. You've added your new team member. Nice work. Repeat these steps for all employees.